Hey guys, my name is Elena, I'm a graphic designer, and today I'm going to show you how to draw easy retro Valentine background in Adobe Illustrator. And if you're interested, please keep watching. This is the size of my workspace and these are colors which I'm going to use in my tutorial. And now let's start the tutorial. My workspace is ready and colors already in the swatches panel. Let's take light pink color and pen tool and draw the heart. The first point, the next one here, and the last one in that place. And close the path. Now select that heart and move the points here. And now select again, transform, reflect vertical copy, and put like this. We need to fix here direct selection tool, and you need to match those points. Okay, now select the heart, pathfinder, unite. Okay, the heart is ready. Now copy and paste the heart, make it red, make it as huge as you like, for example like this, and send it to back. Okay, let's make the red heart a little bigger, like this. Now select both hearts and align them vertical and horizontal. Now blend tool, select the pink heart and now select the red heart. Okay, like this. Double click to blend, and we need to take specific steps and let it be 4 or 3, so as you like. And of course you can make more steps, it's on you. Okay, let it be 4. Now go to object, expand, okay, and now ungroup, and now change colors. Here we need red, here pink, here light pink, again red and pink. Okay, like this. Now you can make the heart a little bigger, like this. Okay, a little smaller. I think it's good. Now you need to create the rectangle like your artboard. Align it and select the whole design, make clipping mask. And now you can just save your background, for example file, export, save for web, and use that background as you like. Okay, like this. For example, you can add any text for your background. Let's close that window, and I think let's make that design a little bigger, like this. It will be better. And now again select the whole design and make clipping mask. And for example, let's add text I love you. Let's make the size 100 and let's write I love you. Okay, put here, let it be white color. And now let's select the font For example, that one. You will find the font link below this video. Create outlines. Okay, you can stay it here. You can align it, for example, like this. So it's on you. Okay, the design is ready. Hope you like my tutorial. If yes, give me a like and subscribe, and see you in the next tutorials in Adobe Illustrator or in the next videos in graphic design.